This button allows you to toggle between 2D and 3D view. In 3D view, you can move around your content to see it from any angle. You have the option to orbit around the scene, zoom in and out, and pan from side to side and up and down. Select View Controls for a reminder of how to control the position with different input devices. Use Reset View to return to the original default viewpoint. If you select an object in 3D view, you'll see our familiar selection box. As you move around, the bounding box will automatically twist so that it's always facing you. The angle of the box shows you the direction in which your models will move and scale. So viewing from a different angle helps you move objects in different ways. You will also see the selection highlight. This is so you can always see your models, even if they are behind something else. Plus, you can continue adding new objects, using the art brushes, or putting stickers on your work, all while remaining in this view. 3D View makes 3D editing easier than ever before.